Yeah, girl, I love the neighborhood. It's so great here. It's nice and quiet. There's no kids. It's just great. You should check it out. There's a couple places down the street for rent. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on a second. Shit. Hey, let me call you back. I need to call the plumber. My faucet's not working again. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. So, anyways, I'll call you back, okay? Bye. Hi, I was wondering if you could send a plumber over or come over and have somebody look at my sink. I think the faucet's got some buildup on it or something. I don't know. It's not working anymore. Okay. And how much will that be? Perfect. All right, so I should expect them in an hour. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. This is the first trouble that I've had.
Nice car. This is a nice fucking neighborhood. I always been through the here myself.
Hello?
Hey, how we doing? I heard you needed help. What you saying?
Are you the plumber?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come on in. So here's the problem. I'm not really sure if it's buildup or what, but it just doesn't work very well anymore.
Okay. Hey, we get over that.
Here's a towel.
And this has been like this for how long now?
You know, I just moved in not very long ago, so I guess I'm going to assume that it's been like this for a while. If it's buildup, you know,
Right,
I hear the water super hard here. See, it gets stuck.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I think I can hinge it. No, this may just take me a few minutes.
Sure. So do you like this area?
Yeah, actually I was just saying that, you know, I always wanted to stay in this area, and that's a beautiful car you have up there. Just wanted to know.
Thank you. I just got it.
Okay. All right. Yeah. It's starting to come loose a little bit.
Okay. Could you excuse me for a second?
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks.
Nope. Damn, that's a bad bitch. Let's see why I like this area. Hey!